This is the site of the Underwood Elementary School, which was one of a number of local elementary schools. I know they used to walk to school because I lived next door. So we were a little disappointed when they closed because it was a perfect neighbor, but we jumped at the chance to buy the property.
And what drew you to the area initially?
Well, we lived in Newport. We had 3 young kids. We were looking for a bigger house, and we wanted to live close to the water. It's incredible to me that you only have to cross Harrison Avenue right here, where you can see there's little to no traffic. You can walk all the way downtown without ever having to cross the road again.
Where are your favorite spots to walk to from here?
We have Ballard Park, which is 1 block that way, which is a beautiful park. We have King Park on the harbor, which is a block that way. They have music every Sunday afternoon there. We have Fort Adams State Park, which is a mile down the road. And then Rogers High School is also a block that way. My kids all grew up sailing, and we just wanted to be close to the water. And, you know, we're just a block up from the New York Yacht Club and the Ida Lewis Yacht Club, you know, which is very convenient. We take full advantage of this location. This is lot 4. So this is the property line, that stake and this stake. So then all of that property is part of lot 4, that's a huge yard.
It's amazing. I was really surprised to see it was just under 2 acres.
But there was never anything back here.
This was always open?
Yeah, there was never anything here historically.
So it's been empty here for quite a while. What are you envisioning now for this space?
I just want to see single-family homes living here, you know, in keeping with the neighborhood.
It's beautiful. It's very peaceful here.
Yeah, it really is. What I think the best thing about this location is that, you know, it's within Newport, and like I said, it's a block from the harbor, but it's removed from the hustle and bustle of downtown.
Yeah, the proximity to everything is huge. To be in town without feeling like you're in town.
I know.
Yeah.
I mean, this is like the country out here.
It's incredible. It's really special.